Here's another D&D trap encounter. This one involving
Flame Skulls. Flame Skulls have an AC of 13, 40 hit points, can fly up to 40 feet, and have a challenge rating of 4. Additionally, they have a ton of resistances and immunities. Flame Skulls also have spellcasting, which include Magic Missile, Flaming Sphere, and Fireball. Additionally, they have multi-attack, where if each attack hits, it does 3d6 fire damage.
So let's set the scene. Your party descends down a hole with a rope. Describe to the party as they lower down that the room is dimly lit below them and it seems that they have stumbled into a catacomb. Describe to the party that there's hundreds of skeletons that lay here and rest. And as the last member steps down onto the floor, this is where the trap begins. Describe to the party that the once lit room is now becoming dark. And now the only source of light is 2 glowing green skulls floating on the top of 2 altars. Describe to the party that these green flaming skulls are behind a layer of walls that can be destroyed. Players will need to make a strength check to smash down these walls, equaling a DC 20. At this point, the flame skulls will attack, where they both use Fireball. Players will need to make a dexterity saving throw of 18, and on a fail, they take 8d6 fire damage. Twice. And on a success, they take half as much damage. You can also just use the average damage, which would be 24 damage on each hit for a fail, and 12 damage for a save. Once the players have made their saving throws, describe to the players that it's impossible to see past the walls, as the spell Darkness is now cast beyond the walls. Creatures with dark vision can't see through the darkness, and non-magical light can't illuminate through it. Players who attempt to enter the darkness will suffer the blinded effect, where all attack rolls will have disadvantage. Have your players roll initiative. And on the start of the enemy's turn, describe 1 skeleton for each member of the party awakening from the catacombs. Skeletons have an AC of 13, 13 hit points, and are a challenge rating of a quarter. And as each round passes, describe 2 new skeletons emerging from the darkness. This encounter will challenge the players to control the battlefield. As the flaming skulls will attack the party behind cover from a distance, waves of skeletons awake to attack the party, and the players can't see anything out of their starting area. I recommend this encounter being for level 10 parties. But if you like this type of content, like and follow for more D&D tips and tricks.